Stop boiling eggs the old way. Today I will show you 3 extremely simple ways to cook eggs. No need to watch the water, no worries about cracked shells. From perfectly cooked eggs and their shells, to eggs placed on a golden, crispy, fragrant cheese nest, and finally a baked egg that is soft, smooth, and melts in your mouth. Just a small oven is enough. Easy to make, few tools, surprising results. Let's get started. Method 1. First, take the eggs out of the refrigerator. Leave them at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes to prevent the shells from cracking when exposed to heat. Preheat the air fryer at 150 Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes. Mark the time directly on the eggshell. 12 minutes gives soft and creamy yolk. 14 minutes gives perfectly medium. 16 minutes gives fully cooked. Place the eggs directly into the tray. Do not stack them on top of each other. Where are you watching this video from around the world? Leave a comment and let me know. Every greeting from you brings me great joy. Now choose your preferred level of doneness. Do you prefer a soft and creamy yolk or perfectly balanced medium? Or if you want your eggs fully cooked, firmer and slightly drier, just add a few more minutes. Simply adjust the time. And you completely. After 12 minutes, immediately transfer the eggs into a bowl of ice water for 5 minutes. Your feedback is also the motivation that helps me make better videos every day. After 14 minutes, do the same. Soak them in ice water to maintain the perfectly medium doneness, beautifully balanced. Wish you lots of fun in the kitchen and success with today's recipe. See you in the next video. After 16 minutes, don't wait. Put them into ice water immediately to keep the fully cooked texture firm and well defined. One final small step, but it determines the entire deliciousness of the egg. Gently peel off the shell of the 12-minute egg. A soft and creamy yolk is revealed, with a smooth surface. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family so everyone can discover these useful tips. Maybe just one share from your cold helps someone cook more easily and deliciously every day. Peel the 14-minute egg. Perfectly medium, with a balanced and beautiful texture. Peel at 16 minutes fully cooked, firm to the touch, the surface is still smooth, not pitted. Method 2. After peeling the boiled egg. Cut the 12-minute baked egg in half. Inside, the silky yolk appears slightly runny, slightly soft, irresistibly appealing. Cut the 14-minute baked egg in half. Inside, the yolk is perfectly cooked, soft and tender, not too runny, not too dry. Cut the 16-minute baked egg in half. Inside, the yolk is fully cooked to firm in texture, drier, and clearly defined in layers. Bake the eggs at 3 different time points and you will have 3 completely different results. Soft and silky. Perfectly balanced. Or fully cooked and firm. Prepare a tray or a non-stick pan. Sprinkle small handfuls of shredded cheese onto the tray, forming cute little round nests. Do not place them too close together. Leave enough space so that when heated, the cheese has room to melt and gently spread outward. Gently place half of the egg on top of the cheese layer. Place the yolk side down onto the cheese layer. Let the cut surface touch directly into the cheese nest waiting to melt. Place in the air fryer at 170 Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. Just enough for the cheese to melt and form an appealing golden crispy edge. Just a few minutes of waiting and the aroma begins to spread. Observe closely, the cheese begins to melt. The bottom turns lightly golden and gradually crispier. When you gently lift it out, you will see a golden crispy cheese layer underneath, soft, smooth egg on top, a glossy golden yolk that stands out beautifully. You can sprinkle a little ground pepper or chopped green onions to enhance the color and aroma. With just a few simple steps, you have transformed a familiar boiled egg into a dish that looks like it was served at a restaurant. Method 3. Now comes the softest dish in today's video. Coat a thin layer of oil in a heat-proof bowl. Just a light layer enough to prevent sticking and help the egg come out more easily. Crack 2 to 3 eggs into the bowl. Be gentle so the yolks remain round and beautiful. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Just a little, but enough to make the mixture softer and smoother when baked. A pinch of salt. Whisk evenly until the mixture becomes smooth and small bubbles begin to appear. These very bubbles will help the eggs rise slightly and become softer when baked. Sprinkle cheese on top. Let each strand of cheese lightly cover the surface, ready to melt when heated. Bake at 160 C for 8 to 10 minutes. Just enough time for the eggs to cook softly and the cheese to melt gently on top. Thank you so much for supporting TopTips 247. Just a few minutes of waiting and the aroma begins to spread. When the surface begins to turn lightly golden, and the center has just set but is still soft, that is when the egg reaches perfection. Do not overbake it. A slight moisture in the center is just enough. Gently scoop it up. You will see an incredibly fluffy texture. Soft, smooth, and lightly rich. Each spoonful melts slowly in your mouth, not dry, not firm, but silky like a warm savory cream. This dish feels like a combination of traditional steamed eggs and a soft, creamy cheese egg custard. A familiar flavor but a completely new sensation. Perfect for a light breakfast or a quick meal on a busy day. Today we made whole eggs with 3 different levels of doneness, eggs placed on a crispy, fragrant cheese nest, soft and creamy baked cheese egg sole with just one simple appliance. Less oil, less cleanup, but much more delicious. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to TopTips 247 for more simple kitchen tips. Which method do you like the most? Leave a comment below. See you in the next video.